Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to contact Gusto support as an employee. Now if you're having trouble with your account, pay subs, or you're having any other aspects of Gusto, just reaching out to their support team is simple and easy, and it's going to help you to resolve those issues. So let's get started. Step one, log into your Gusto accounts. So first you gotta head to gusto.com and log into your employee accounts. If you haven't logged in before, make sure that you have your login credentials handy. Step two, access the help center. Now once logged in, you want to look for the help or support options in the menu. This is typically located at the bottom of your Gusto dashboard. So click on it to access the help center. Step 3, browse or search for a solution. So before reaching out directly to the support, it's always a good idea to search the help center for any articles or guides that might answer your question. You can use keywords like payroll issues, benefits, or account access to quickly find solutions to common problems. Step 4, contact support directly. Now, if you still need help after browsing the help center, you want to look for the option to contact support. Now, this might be a button that says contact us or get help. Now, you'll be asked to select the type of issue that you need help with, whether it's payroll, benefit, taxes, or something else. Step 5, provide necessary information. Now, once you've selected your issue, you may be asked to fill out a form with your details. This may include your name, employee ID, a description of the problem, and any relevant screenshots or documents to help the support team to understand your issue better. Step 6, submit your request. Now, after filling out the form, you want to click submit. Gusto support team will review your inquiry and reach out to you, usually via email or preferred communication methods. Step 7, check your email for updates. Now make sure to check your email for any responses or follow-up questions from Gusto support team, because they're going to guide you through any additional steps needed to resolve the issue. And that's it. You now know how to connect Gusto supports as an employee. Don't worry if you need help. Gusto support team is there to assist you every step of the way. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.